Good morning. We're off to Palos Verdes. I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy Darren. He's a really good spear fisherman. Doesn't use Polespears almost ever, so I'm bringing the Crist Neptune 8-foot. I'm gonna bring my Gatku Eight'er. We're gonna have a little Polespear to Polespear competition down in Palos Verdes. Whoever gets the biggest fish gets a beer, maybe even a shot of Hibiki. Let's see what we can do on this beautiful Sunday.
The sheep.
So how was the Polespear life?
It's alright. Getting used to it.
Cool, man. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little Polespear competition between Darren and myself. We had a lot of fun. Even though the fish weren't super big, it was just a blast to be able to introduce Polespears to a buddy who doesn't use them that often. The winner went to the sheep's head that I shot. It was 13 inches, so it beat out that perch. And as you know, Dustin over at Gatku sent me these Polespears a long time ago, and I've been using them almost more than my spear gun lately. I find that it helps me have to kind of anticipate what the fish is going to do and get closer to them before I shoot. And I know I'm not hitting as much as I probably would with the spear gun, but I figure put in the hard work now, and then you'll just make spearfishing easier in the long run. And if you want one of these, definitely check out the description box. There's a promo code John Cast and Spear where Dustin will send you some extra free goodies if you buy one. So big thanks to Dustin for that. Now, if you're in the SoCal area and you want to give these a shot, just let me know in the comments and we'll sync up. I'd love to have new dive buddies. And until next time, stay safe and I'll see you in the water. See ya.